Oh, so close. Guys, I didn't win. Good morning.
Good morning, baby.
I'll take this in the back seat. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. As you've already seen, I'm in the car with Ariana. We also have Kazu here at the wheel, driving. Woo! Handsome. Hakone. Today we are going to Hakone. This is my first time in Hakone. I think both of their first times there too. And Ariana has a whole list of activities that we're gonna do today. I didn't have to plan anything. I just gotta show up. I'm excited. I'm excited. Thanks, baby.
I just want to do all kinds of different things with you, and my first time. I think we're all like Hakone virgins. I don't know. Some people are like, "What are you gonna do in Tokyo?" And I'm like, "I think we're gonna go to Hakone." And they're like, "You're gonna go to Hakone?"
That traffic though, Golden Week traffic. Have a little photo shoot of Fuji-san in the car when we're stopping traffic. So pretty. I can't believe I climbed that. We've arrived at Legashi and it's taken us 4 hours to get here, but it should only take an hour and a half. Golden Week!
Thanks, Golden Week.
Woo! And so now we're just lining up for parking.
God help my
We found parking! Yay!
We snuck it in.
We did.
Didn't have to pay.
And if the audio becomes crap, it's because it's so windy. I'm full of regrets. I didn't bring a jacket.
And it's fucking windy.
It's so windy. 20 knots per hour? Is that
At least 20 knots. This is like 20 to 25 knots.
And like all the water splashes up on you when you're walking.
And it's cold.
It's cold. Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Like,
It's real pretty. Here we go. Let's go. Lake Ashi is a crater lake that formed due to a volcano eruption long time ago. It's located in Hakone, Kanagawa Prefecture, which is where we went today. I have been transported. When you stand there, they think you're gonna feed them, so they all come. In true fashion, there's a lineup to take a picture. So we're now in the lineup. Gonna take a picture.
you can try to take a picture.
Try anyway. This area of Japan is famous for its hot springs, historical sites, and its famous views of Mount Fuji. It's definitely a nice little getaway that you can go to on your trip. It's only about at most 2 hours by train from Tokyo. Definitely a beautiful area to visit. Put that one? Put that one like angle a bit. Yeah. It is so stunning here and beautiful. It's like we've been transported to another place.
It's
Another
really
area.
amazing.
It's stunning.
Cold, but amazing.
We're back in the car now, having lunch. It's so windy! I had to put my hair up. I was dying. My lunch is a sandwich and another sugar bread. We're now moving to place number 2. I think we're gonna go golfing. Mini golf?
Mini golf.
Mini golf! Oh my god, it's so twisty and turny. It's kind of fun. Okay, now we are heading to Patta Golf. Pat. This is the map. We're starting off at number 1, and there is 9 holes. Who's gonna win? It's not me.
Should we jump in just for
Order?
or are you gonna just
We could just do by the balls.
oh yeah.
1, 2, 3. Gonna try my best. It's okay, so do I. What's the coins for?
So if somebody's ball is like close to yours and you need to move their ball out of the way to get to it,
you
you
mark
put
the
the
coin.
you mark
Oh, I didn't understand. Like, what is it for?
it. Mine is better.
Hi. Oh, so close. No! Way too hard.
Brute strength.
Way too hard. Oh. Oh. Guys, I wasn't recording, but Ariana got a hole in one. Ina lucky.
7.
Yay. Oh. Bye bye.
That wasn't bad. Oh yeah.
Guys, I didn't win. I think I had 45.
You didn't have 45.
No?
You had 40. I did 35, and Kazu had 34. And we sucked. But I got 1 hole in 1, which is why I only did a little bit worse than Kazu.
Okay, we're heading back to Yokohama now. We decided to take the number 1, which is kind of like the seaside route, back. Ariana, I convinced her and Kazu to do it because it's so pretty.
Let's take a look at that.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Just ate dinner. We're back in the car, and we passed IKEA or IKEA, what they say in Japan. And I was like, oh my god, guys, look, IKEA! And now we're going to IKEA. Impromptu trip. I just squeezed Kazu's head. This is the adult life. When you get excited.
About going to a furniture store?
Yep. How old are we? Too old.
We're dating ourselves when we say what we like to do. I remember 23, it was like, it's Friday night and we're getting ready to go clubbing.
Right.
And now it's like, IKEA.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so nice. I'm in heaven. Taylor B and I always talk about getting a green sofa. Taylor, if you're watching. Bye guys.
Bye.
Good night.
Thank you for joining us.
Kazu looks dead. Whew, home now. What a long day, but fun. I got this from IKEA. I'm really happy about it. It's a salad spinner. Adult life. Anyway, I'm gonna go take my makeup off and shower. Okay, so I'm all ready for bed now. I don't know how this vlog went. I feel like it was a lot of talking in the car, but hopefully it was all right and you guys enjoyed this vlog. Golden Week in Japan is one of the busiest holidays for traveling. So many people have it off, so it gets crazy busy no matter where you go. So yeah, I think it was like 2 years ago, I drove all the way down to southern Japan on a road trip with T, and we went to like his hometown, and I drove like 2,000 kilometers in 4 days. That was like the craziest road trip I ever did for Golden Week, and yeah. People always like to do things during this time, and we were lucky that we planned this Hakone little adventure last minute, so that was fun. I would love to go back to Hakone and stay in a ryokan, a Japanese style onsen hotel, and just relax there for a night. That would be awesome. I tried to do that this Golden Week, but we planned 2 last minute, so they were all booked and the only rooms left were like 70,000 yen to 100,000 yen, which is like $700 to $1,000 for one night. And I'm like, do people actually pay that money? Oh well, next time. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. It really helps me out. Subscribe to my channel, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Good night. Bye.